Ciao! Welcome to Maria Teresa's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make chocolate brownie ice cream sandwich. Chop the chocolate in small pieces. Place it with the butter in a bowl that can stand heat. Melt the chocolate in a double boiler. I add 2 inches of water to a pot and bring it to a boil. In that way, the chocolate will melt. Whisk the eggs with the sugar until white and creamy. Add the coffee and the vanilla extract and whisk everything together. When the chocolate is melted, let it cool a little bit and then temper the eggs with the chocolate mixture. Keep whisking the mixture while adding the chocolate to avoid scrambling the eggs. Add the flour and mix everything together. Refrigerate for 30 minutes or until firm. Scoop out the chocolate pieces, about 1 tablespoon, and bake at 350 for 9 minutes. Let the cookies completely cool in a cooling rack. And then sandwich them with vanilla ice cream. The ice cream is set and they are ready. Let's try. I hope you like this video and I'll see you next time.